Rome, Italy, but we port at Civitavecchia.
Hi, I'm Jody.
And I'm Kelly.
And we're
JK Cruising. And we've been to Rome before, so we did not take an excursion. We literally just got off of the cruise ship and wandered around the little town.
Yep. If you've never been to Rome before, this is a great opportunity to go to Rome and see all of the things that Rome has to offer. The Vatican, all of the Colosseums and those types of things. So this is the place you're going to go and get your bus ride, which takes about an hour and a half to 2 hours, depending on traffic, to
get
go
to Rome
and to come. So keep in mind, there's a lot of tourism in Rome, and
very crowded.
May or may not get into the to the Vatican City. If you don't plan that out very well. What we heard most often from the people on the ship was they didn't get to see Vatican City. They didn't get to go into the Basilica. They didn't get to experience what they wanted to experience in Rome because it was just so busy. Mm-hmm. So just keep that in mind. It's going to be very busy in Rome if you spend money on that tour.
So when you get off the ship here at this port, you have to take a bus to where they let you off at the end of the port pier. And when you get back after your excursion or after you're just wandering around, make sure you get in the line for the right shuttle, because there's several different ships there and several different shuttles. If you get on the wrong shuttle, they won't let you get off at the ship and then walk to your ship.
Yeah, you have to go
You
back.
have to take the shuttle back,
right.
Get on the right shuttle, and then go to your ship. Yep. So we heard a couple of people complaining about that had happened to them. Yep. So make sure you get in the right shuttle line. So we had a great time exploring that little city. It was a cool little city.
Yeah, we didn't do an excursion this day. We just sort of walked around the town, the whole city. There was all kinds of stuff there. I think they had right at the base there was across the road. Once you get off the shuttle and exit sort of the area of the port, right across was another little sort of castle area that had
an old fort
around the whole port area there. That was pretty cool to walk that. You could walk up on the top of the fort, and you could sort of stand up there and look out. And
we did some shopping. We stopped and petted a little King Charles that was so cute, and then headed back to the ship.
But not as cute as this one.
No. Celebrity, if you've never been on a Celebrity ship, they do a really good job with their design to where the ship never feels overcrowded. They've got the seating area kind of dispersed really well. Yep. But I have to say, with so many people off of the ship in Rome, we took full advantage of having the ship almost to ourselves.
Yeah, there was a lot of people off the ship that day. And once we spent maybe 4 hours, 4.5 hours, if that, walking the whole little city area, and we did a lot of walking.
Yeah, and they do a great job of entertaining you while you're on the ship, even though you're in port. There was corn bowling, mini macrame, pool volleyball, a ladder ball competition. I mean, they just had all kind of things going on. Yeah. So this night we ate at Normandy. So before we got on the cruise ship, I tried to make reservations at Normandy, and I tried every single night, and I could never get reservations for it. But we found out if you just walk up, you get in so quickly, there's really no use in having reservations.
You don't even need reservations. Just go to the restaurant you want. Don't worry about the reservations that you have. Or if they're in the right place or the wrong place, just go to where you want to go, eat where you want to eat, and they'll work you in. So that was the one thing that I think was a learning for us on this particular ship.
We ate dinner at Normandy, which easily became my favorite restaurant on board, behind La Petite Chef, of course. I had the baked brie with caramelized apples and prime rib. The baked brie, by far, was the best appetizer I had on the ship, and I think I had it 2 or 3 more times. So Roy Tan was the entertainer of the night, but honestly, after the past 5 days, and we were exhausted. We hit the bed early because Naples is next.
Yeah, you guys are going to really enjoy Naples. So hang around with us, and we'll see you on the next day in Naples.
Remember, like and subscribe, get out and go cruising, and have fun.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.